Want to know what's in your photos without having to look at them closely? With Bixby Vision Scene Describer, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can read out loud what's in the photo. It's super useful for accessibility or just if you are curious about what's in an image. Let me show you how to use it. First, open Gallery app and then open the photo you want to describe. Tap the Bixby Vision icon at the top of the photo and then select Screen Describer.
Analyzing scene. A woman in a white dress on a beach.
As you can see, Bixby will analyze the photo and read out loud what it says. This is really helpful if you are unable to see the details of the image or if you just want to quickly understand the scene. Once you are done, you can tap the back key to return to your photo. So, given to the function, Scene Describer with Bixby Vision is a great tool to help you quickly understand what's in a photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.